So what are we doing today? It's rooster harvesting time. So this is a chicken catching stick. It's made of basically a shovel pole or any kind of stick, and attached at the end is a bent wire. And the idea is that the wider part of the wire guides the leg of the chicken to the cul-de-sac of the wire, and then you can just grab them. I'll demonstrate when I'm catching a chicken. So here's an example of 2 of the chickens that have been dispatched. There was a total of 5. So the next step is to skin them. I don't have a feather remover, so I'm just gonna take the skin off and smoke them. So this particular chicken, he's in the middle process where his head was removed and then the nerves are still intact a little bit, so they're going to kick a little bit, and once the head's removed, the blood will come out the neck area and go straight into the bucket. So the next process is skinning the chicken, which will start at the breastbone. Alright, now to proceed with the rest of the skin pulling, you just pull it straight off the back. And get the other side. And cut the tail end off. Since I don't own a chicken plucker, this is the way it's going to have to happen. So just going to remove the wing. So the next step after you get the majority of the feathers off and the skin is you dunk it in water to kind of clean it up a little bit. So I'm trying to get the heart out. That would be the heart. So this is the end product after the skinning. And the only thing that was harvested was the heart, because at the very end I hit the intestines. I didn't want to risk contaminating any of the meat. Alright, we've moved the operation inside because it was beastly hot. So, in order to cut the organs out, you start at the rear end. You cut a little bit here. And then you pull it apart, which is kind of a violent action. But that exposes all the organs. So this is the heart. Save that. This is the liver. If you like liver, you can save that. And I do. You do not want to hit the gallbladder there, because it has bile in it. And this is the gizzard back here, this disc-looking membrane. That's the gizzard. And you have to split that down the middle. And what you'll see is basically their Last Supper. Hear that? That was they eat stones to grind up their food. So you remove all the food and grit. And this yellow fascia, it feels like sandpaper, and its purpose is to grind up their food. So you have to, if you want the gizzard, you have to actually cut this fascia off and peel it back, which I should have a sharper knife for. Now you just clean it up. So that's what we're doing today. That's the end product. There's another bowl of it too.